Maintaining a digital brand in the real estate industry can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you are just starting out. Your focus is sales and revenue. You know the time, expense, and energy consistent marketing takes to get good leads coming your way. That's why at Placester we've developed an entire marketplace of services that real estate professionals need to start their digital journey and utilize marketing channels to their fullest. From creating a custom real estate website with modern designs to delivering smaller tasks, you won't need to reach out to high-priced marketing agencies. The critical factor here is that creating a tailor-made website by agency can take up to or even over a month. We can deliver in a matter of days. Go to the Services tab. Now, this is the main hub where you can see all your tasks, their status, and who on our end will be in charge of delivering it. Go to the Marketplace tab to see dozens of tasks our team can help you with. Each task has a detailed specification, so you know what you are ordering. My personal favorite is setups. These are perfect for agencies or brokers who start their journey and don't have a website yet. If you have a website that is starting to look a bit out of date, I highly recommend choosing the website update service or going for SEO-ready tasks. After ordering a task, you will see its status in the Service tab. After clicking, you will notice the conversation history with your creative design specialist with all the necessary details. After you reviewed the task and are happy with the result, your vision becomes a reality. If you want to learn more about Placester, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, so you always stay in the loop. Thanks for watching.